For the times that you rain my parade, and all the crowds you're getting using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh God, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own and my end. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care at all. But you still hit my phone now, and you better be moving on. And I think it should be something that I wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes somebody more. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I'll be so caught up in myself, didn't see what's going on. And I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. But when you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem is now with you and not them. And every time you told me my pain was wrong, and tried to make me forget where I came from. And then you wanna write a song,